Did you know your POCO smartphone can double as a portable Wi-Fi router? With the personal hotspot feature, you can share your mobile data with laptops, tablets, or even other phones. Perfect when Wi-Fi isn't available. All you need is enough data, decent signal, and some battery power. Let me show you how to set it up. First, open the Settings app on your POCO phone. Scroll down and tap Portable Hotspot. Now turn on the switch next to Portable Hotspot. When it's active, you'll see the hotspot icon appear in the status bar at the top of your screen. This means your phone is ready to share its connection. Next, tap Set up Portable Hotspot to customize it. In the SSID field, type a name for your hotspot. This is what will appear when other devices search for Wi-Fi. You can keep the default name or choose something unique like POCO Wi-Fi Hub or something similar. Then tap the password field and enter a secure password. This is important to keep strangers from connecting and draining your data. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for extra security. Once you're done, tap the check mark in the top right corner to save your settings. Your hotspot is now active and ready to use. Simply connect to it from another device by selecting the SSID you set up and entering the password. To manage connected devices, scroll down to the Manage Devices section, then tap Connected Devices. Here you can limit the number of devices that can connect to your POCO phone's personal hotspot. Simply tap the option to Limit of Connected Devices, then select your preferred number of devices that are allowed to connect. You can also block any suspicious devices. To do this, tap Block List, tap Add, select the device that you'd like to add to your block list, then tap Save. Here's a pro tip. To save battery and avoid unnecessary data usage, enable the option to turn off hotspot automatically. This way, your phone will shut the hotspot down when no devices are connected. You can now use your POCO smartphone as a reliable internet source. Whether it's for finishing work on your laptop at a cafe, letting a friend connect their tablet on the go, or even powering your smart TV during a Wi-Fi outage. It's quick, secure, and makes your POCO smartphone more versatile than ever. To stop using personal hotspot, just repeat the same steps to return to the portable hotspot settings. Then turn the personal hotspot switch off again. And that's it. If this video helped you set up a personal hotspot, give it a like and check out my other 2025 POCO smartphone tutorials for more ways to make the most out of your phone. Thanks for watching.